Welcome. Today, we're diving into Ansible Playbooks, the magic scripts that turn tedious manual tasks into automated perfection. We'll cover the essentials, so don't worry if you're new. By the end, you'll feel like a tech wizard, minus the robe. Let's get started and make automation effortless. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Ansible playbooks are like recipes, but for IT automation. Instead of cooking, they help configure systems and deploy applications with ease. We'll explore what they are and why they are a lifesaver for sysadmins. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll be crafting playbooks like a pro. YAML is the secret sauce of Ansible Playbooks. It's simple, readable, and powerful. But beware. One wrong indentation and it's game over. Think of YAML like assembling IKEA furniture. Follow the instructions carefully, and everything works. Let's decode the syntax and keep it smooth. Before we write playbooks, we need the right setup. Installing Ansible is straightforward. Unlike setting up Wi-Fi at your friend's house, we'll configure everything step by step, test our environment, and ensure you're ready to roll. Ansible needs a list of machines to work with. That's where the inventory file comes in. Think of it as an address book for servers. We'll set up hosts, groups, and formats, so your automation knows exactly where to go. Organizing hosts into groups sounds simple, but it's a game changer. Whether handling hundreds of servers or just a few, structured inventory files make life easy. Let's create logical groups and make Ansible even smarter. Time to write your first playbook. Don't worry, no coding headaches here. We'll define plays and tasks, use modules, and run our first script. Think of this like cooking a great meal, but instead of ingredients, we have automation. A well-structured playbook is like a well-organized playlist. Each task has a purpose. We'll split plays, define actions, and ensure everything runs smoothly. No unnecessary drama, just clean and efficient automation. Modules are the real superheroes of Ansible Playbooks. Need to install software, configure settings. There's a module for that. Let's explore them and start automating like a pro. Variables are like sticky notes, great for remembering stuff across playbooks. Facts, on the other hand, help us peek into the system's soul and extract useful details. By storing variables smartly, we keep our playbooks neat and manageable. And registered variables, they are the secret agents that capture task results for future use. Conditionals are like decision-making in playbooks. Because yes, computers need logic too. Loops, meanwhile, save us from writing the same task a dozen times. And when things go wrong, until loops step in like a stubborn detective who won't stop until they crack the case. Handlers are the firefighters of our playbooks. They rush in only when needed. By defining them properly, we ensure efficient service restarts without unnecessary repetition. Plus, they only execute once per run, saving time and making playbooks more predictable. Debugging is detective work. Spot the issue, fix it, and keep the playbook clean. The debug module helps us pinpoint errors, while check mode lets us test without making actual changes. Validating syntax ensures we don't accidentally write gibberish. And analyzing task output is like reviewing a crime scene for clues. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.